Hi Tracy and everyone at Gibraltar. I hope you're all well, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for, providing such amazing care to all the elderly people at the care home. So, as a gesture of my thanks, I'm going to sing you guys a song called Salvation, which is a song I really love, and I'd love to share it with you guys. So I really hope you like it, and if you would like to hear more music of mine, you can. I've got a lot of covers on my Instagram, which is Sirine_music. So yeah, here's Salvation. Salvation.